Hello, Dimeji on trumpet here. In today's video, we're going to be playing 7 musical sounds that are present in the major scale of C. In solfa notation, we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. The names of the 7 musical sounds are C, D, E, F, G, A, B. We play these sounds differently. In playing the first 5 musical sounds, I have a video for that. 5 sound song on trumpet. You can check that out. I'm going to be focusing on just the last 2 musical sounds, which is A and B. In playing A, we we press down the valve 1 and 2 simultaneously. While playing the B note, we press down only valve 2. So playing everything together now from C up down to B. So those are the 7 musical sounds present in the major scale of C. Now let's see if we can play a song with these sounds. Now the first line, so, mi, so, so, mi. Now, yeah. The next line, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, re. Fa, fa, mi, do, re, ti, do. Now I'm going to play all in one take. So those are the 7 musical sounds present in the major scale of C. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to give a like if you like this video and you want to watch more video like this in the future. Don't forget to subscribe below. See you in my next video.